In this video, I'll show you how to change your Klaviyo sender email so your messages look professional and perfectly aligned with your brand. Make sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials. Start by logging into Klaviyo and head to the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on your profile icon. Then select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, open the Organization tab. Here, you'll see your default sender email address. Simply replace it with the email you want to use for all outgoing messages. If you'd like this new email applied everywhere, check the option to update it across all campaigns. It saves a lot of time. Once you've entered the email, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. That locks in your changes, so all your future emails use your updated sender address. And that's it. Your Klaviyo account is now set up with a consistent and professional sender email. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more easy guides.